Hey everyone, Ryan here. Welcome to our guide on how to apply for an American Express credit card in Australia. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the application process, ensuring that you have all the information that you need to choose the right card for your needs and successfully complete your application. By the end of this video, you will not only understand how to apply for an American Express card, but you'll also be equipped with valuable insights to make informed decisions about which card best suits your lifestyle and financial goals. And before we get into the application process, let's briefly talk about why American Express cards are so popular in Australia. American Express offers a range of cards with attractive reward programs, travel benefits, and exceptional customer service. So whether you're looking to earn points for travel, cashback on purchases, or simply want a card with low interest rates, American Express is likely the best option for you. It's also known for its premium offering, but you also have cards suitable for those just starting their credit journey. Their cards often come with perks like travel insurance, purchase protection, and access to exclusive events. And this makes them a favorite among the consumers. Before applying, it's crucial to evaluate your spending habits and financial goals. So always consider your monthly expenses and where you spend the most. Think about what kind of rewards would be most suitable for you, so travel points, maybe cashback or retail rewards. Typically, American Express requires a good to excellent credit score, so if you're unsure of your credit score, consider checking it before applying, as some cards have a requirement when it comes to credit score. Other than that, you must meet the basic eligibility criteria, and this includes being at least 18 years old, be an Australian citizen, permanent resident, or hold a long-term visa, so around over 12 months excluding the student visas. And lastly, to meet the minimum income requirements, as this can vary per card. And now we're going to talk about choosing the right card. American Express offers around 10 different cards in Australia, each with unique features. For example, you've got the low rate credit card. This is best for those who occasionally carry a balance. Some perks include low interest rate of around 9% PA, no annual fee, and it is suitable for those focused on minimizing interest costs. There's also the Qantas Discovery card for Qantas point collectors with no annual fee. So the features are you can earn Qantas points on everyday spend, and it's great for occasional travelers who want to earn Qantas points. Another super popular card is the American Express Platinum Edge credit card. This card comes in at $0 annual card fee in the first year, and then after that you would have to pay $195 per year. It does have a relatively high interest rate, so around 24% PA on purchases and up to 55 days on the interest-free period. But you do get higher earn rates at supermarkets and fuel stations, complimentary travel insurance, and annual travel credit. So as you can see, there are a lot of options when it comes to the credit cards for the American Express in Australia. But when it comes to choosing the card, you want to consider factors like the annual fees, interest rates, rewards programs, and additional benefits when making your own choice. It's very important to choose a card that aligns with your spending habits and lifestyle to maximize its value and the perks. Next up, before starting your application, have the following information ready, as it would make the application process a lot easier for you. So your full name as it appears on the official documents, date of birth, current residential address, the contact information that comes in the form of a phone number, mobile preferred, and an email address. You might also be asked about your employment details, so the current employer's name, job title, length of employment, and the annual income before the tax. And the two last things are the financial information, so any assets, so savings, investments, or property, and the liabilities such as existing loans or credit card balances, monthly expenses, your rent or mortgages, utilities, and groceries. The last thing is the identification, and you can get that done through driver's license number, for example, or a passport number. Having this information ready will streamline your application process and reduce the likelihood of any delays happening. So to begin your application, you want to visit the American Express Australian website, so americanexpress.com/au, and then you want to navigate to the cards section. Select the card that you wish to apply for and then click on the blue apply now button. Before starting your application, check if there are any current sign-up bonuses or special offers. American Express often runs promotions for new cardholders, which can include bonus points or statement credits. After that, you want to fill in the application form with your personal information, address, employment, all the things that we discussed earlier. Be sure to double check all the information for accuracy before submitting. This is because incorrect information can lead to delays or even rejection of your application. Once you've completed all the sections and agreed to the terms, review your entire application one last time and then click the submit button. From there, you may be presented with a reference number. It's a good idea to note that down in case you need to follow up on your application later. After the submission, American Express will review your application, and this includes a credit check with credit reporting agencies. In a lot of cases, you may receive an instant decision. While the processing time may vary, it can take between 5 to 7 business days. If you haven't heard back after this time, you can contact American Express customer service to check on your application status. And with that, we will have reached the end of today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this guide to be helpful, then let us know by giving it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.